Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss rational expressions. The topics covered is simplifying, multiplying, division, addition, subtraction of rational expressions. Let's jump into the video. First topic, simplifying rational expressions. A rational expression look like a fraction with polynomial. So here it's a fraction. It has numerator and denominator. Numerator is 6x squared. It's a second degree polynomial. Denominator is 9x, so first degree polynomial. So let's see how we can simplify this rational expression into a simpler form. So step 1, factorize numerator and denominator. So factorize, already we discussed in the previous video how to factorize. So this 6 can factor out by 3 times 2. Then the 9 can be write in the form of 3 times 3. So this 3 and 3 will be cancelled from the numerator and denominator. And here x square by x. So this x and x square, one x can be cancelled out from the numerator. So they cancel the factors. First step is factorize numerator and denominator. So we can write in this form. Second step is cancel common factors. So 3 and 3 are common factor, cancel out. And x here is a common factor, so from the denominator the x will be cancelled. So finally is 2x by 3. Here there is no more factoring or no more cancellation is possible because it's a simplified form. So the final answer is 2x by 3. Just go to the another. Okay, second is multiplying rational expression. Let's see an example. See 2x by 5 multiply 15 by 4x. So how we will multiply and simplify into the simpler form. Steps, let's see the steps. The first step is multiply numerator and denominator. So what to do? As a normal multiplication, fraction multiplication, we can multiply directly the numerators and the denominator. So 2x times 15 and 5 times 4x. Then simplify it. So 2x by 15 is 2 into 5, 15 is 30, 30x by 20x. So from here we can cancel out x and x. So both are cancelled out. So we will be getting 30 by 20. So again reduced fraction. So maximum how possible you can reduce it into a simpler form, you can do it. So here we can again factor out 3 by 2. This is a multiple of 10. 3 into 10 and 2 into 10. So 10 will be cancelled out and 3 by 2. So this is a final simplified form of this expression. So this is how we use multiplication with two rational expressions. Okay, let's see how division will be carried out in the rational expression. An example, 3x by 4 divided by 6 by x. So in this division form, you need to follow this step. First step is keep, change and flip. What it means? Keep means the first term should be, keep the first term as it is. This first term as it is like this. Then change the sign. Here it is division symbol. So you can change this division symbol into multiplication symbol here. Then what to do next is flip. Flip means then the next term 6 by x should be flip and we can call it as reciprocal. So reciprocal of that term and we can multiply with the reciprocal. See 3x. So we can directly multiply 3x x and 4 into 6. See, then next step is multiply. So 3x into x is 3x square and 4 times 6 is 24. So now we do simplify. No, 3x squared by 24. So what we do? 3 and 24 we can cancel out. So how it's x squared by 8. So 3 can be cancelled and here 8. So the simplified form is x squared by 8. This is how we use division of two rational expression and make it in the simplified form. Okay, adding and subtracting of rational expression. Look at this. 2 by x plus 3 by x square. We cannot add or subtract directly because the denominators are different. So first step to find the solution. So first find the LCD. least common denominator. So we can make x square and x square both denominator. We can take it as x square as a LCD. So we need to make both denominator same. Then only we can directly add or subtract the numerator. So what we do, we rewrite the each fraction. So 2 by x. How we can make this 2 by x is x square here, denominator as x square. Just multiply x in both numerator and denominator. So see, 2 times x in the numerator, and we multiply the same x in the denominator also. So what we got, 2x by x square. Okay, this 2x by x square we got. Then next one, 3 by x square. Here nothing to do because already we are having x square in the denominator. So 3 by x square, write as same as it is. Then combine. So what we do, 2x by x square plus 3 by x square. Then we can directly add the numerator. Why? Because the denominator has same expression in the denominator. So let's see, 2x plus 3 divided by x square. So this is the simplified form. Because there is nothing to do, we cannot simplify again in this one. So we cannot cancel anything. So this is the simplified form. So final answer is 2x plus 3 by x square. This is the simplified form of these two rational expression after addition. Same subtraction also, the same method you need to do. Okay, let's discuss some quick tips before doing a simplification process of rational expression. So first you need to keep in mind, always factorize before cancelling. First we need to find the factors. So we need to factorize the terms into the simpler form. Then we will look for the cancelling process. So it will be easy for you to cancel and getting into a simpler form. For multiplication division, cancel first, then multiply. So multiplication divisions comes means before doing that division or multiplication process, first what we need to do, just factor it and cancel the common factors. Okay, then the simpler form should be go to the multiplication process. For addition and subtraction, find LCD, then combine. So for addition and subtraction, you need to find the least common denominator and combine. So you make sure the both the denominator should be same. Then only you can add or subtract the numerator directly. So keep in mind, whenever you have an addition or subtraction rational expression, you must make the both denominator same or equal. Then only you can go for addition and subtraction. So these are the 3 tips you must keep in your mind. Thank you.